Hello and welcome to the chapter number 3, that is how can we design the simple website in a Kompozer. Now let's first understand what is the importance of the website. Now everyone know this is a digital area. In this digital area, every kind of business, whether it's a small shop or it can be a very big business having the multiple branches, everyone need the website so that he can reach to the global customer all over world, so that he can globally promote that product, promote that services and attract more customer to the her website. Now a well-designed website will attract the more customer and generate the more profit for any kind of organization. Now if you design the website, then your website must have the following parameters to follow. The first parameter is the interactive. So our website should be interactive so that user will give some input and we generate the appropriate output that required to the user. Second is the user friendly. That means any kind of user can easily access our website. And the third is the informative. That means user will get all the detail what he required about particular topic will get on our website. Now what is the main design objective for any kind of website? So that we have to design the website in such a way that customer will visit our website repeatedly, so we can easily promote our product and service to that. Now before we start developing any website, what is required is a proper planning, right? So planning is a must have before you start development of the any kind of website. So we understand what are the points you need to consider while the planning. So following are the points. The first point is the purpose. You must have the very clear purpose in your mind. Why you are developing this website. You want to develop this website to sell the product, or you want to develop this website to give the information to the user. Yeah, you want to develop this website to provide particular service to the user. So what is the main purpose? What is your goal? It should be clear in your mind, so that you can design the content and layout accordingly. So that is the first point, purpose must be clear. After that, second is the audience. You are developing this website for which kind of audience? For example, you are developing some agriculture or farming website. So you have to identify if this website is used by what kind of user. If it can be used by the farmer, so you have to design accordingly, right? So audience should be important. That is also play an important role for deciding content and layout of the website. The third parameter is the website speed and graphics. Now if you are putting many images, many videos, so what it does, it increase the file size, right? And it takes the more time in the loading, right? And anyone don't want to wait. Everyone don't want that you show the loading symbols. So you have to minimize the file size so that you can quickly load, quickly able to view the information through your website. The next parameter is content. So your website must have the complete, appropriate and relevant information to the user so that he can visit the website. If you provide any unrelated or extra information, then what it does, it frustrates the user, right? Your content must be classified into the two categories. The first category is the general content and the second category is the detailed content. General content will give the only brief descriptions of our website. For example, if you have any e-commerce website, right? So for that, we are giving what categories are there, what subcategories are there, what are the products are that is called the general content. So user will decide he want to search for the detailed content or not, right? The second part is the detailed content. So it will give the very descriptive details about any particular products, right? If user is interested to buy some products, then he should have the complete and all information about that product so that he can easily decide I want to buy this product or not through your website. The next one is the navigations and design, right? Obviously, if you develop the website, so it have the multiple pages, right? So user will able to navigate from one page to another page easily. And we also provide some information about at what page user are, and if user want to back to the home page, then we easy provide some icon or text. By clicking on that, user can easily navigate onto the home page. Next is the medium device compatibility, that is more important. We don't know the user visit our website through which medium. It can be able to access our website through desktop, through laptop, through iPad, through mobile also, right? So our website should be able to open in any platform, and it will give the smooth experience to the user. It can able to open in any kind of browser as well, because you know that CSS has some device compatibility. So you need to check your website should be compatible with all browser or all kind of devices or not, right? So these are the important parameters that we need to consider for the planning the website.